What's up, guys? It's the one and only ROYASTOUCH. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing Eyebrows for Beginners 101. So if you want to learn how to go from this to that, how to get nice, filled in, shaped, arched, cleaned up eyebrows, the whole nine, then I'm gonna need you guys to stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys all the little tricks, and you know, y'all gonna have some popping eyebrows. But first I need you guys to like, subscribe, definitely leave me some comments. Damn, I done messed up. Just press the bell and share the damn video. Let's go. So for my eyebrows, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, either Fawn or Toffee. And I also use the flat angled brush used for the flawless brow shaping. And to fill in my brows, I use the angled eyebrow brush. And what I'm using to fill my brows in is the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is lotioning my face. I just washed my whole face. I'm going to lotion my face with some Nivea lotion. After I do my eyebrows right now, I'm going to go into the natural everyday look makeup. So yeah. So first we're going to start off with the brows. Usually after I lotion my face, I just take a towel and I just wipe right here because I don't want the grease to mix up with the product when I put it on my eyebrow. So that's the first thing that I do. I'm going to brush my eyebrows out. Alright, listen, I bought this from Walmart. This came up to like $2 or $2 and change. This is like Eco Styling gel inside of this with a big ass mascara brush. All they did was G me, and I've never been G'd before in my life until now. I feel stupid. Now I feel like I gotta go back and steal. This shit is trash, and that means I have to go back and steal. I have to steal something that makes me feel, you know, equal, you know, to what I pay. Even though it was $2, it's not the point. I need something quality, like, you know, like if I went in there and I took this or something, then I'd feel a little good, you know, something like this. Then I mean, I feel like, but I'm not gonna encourage stealing. Unless you bought this shit right here. So you're gonna take your brush at an angle. Like, you're gonna take some of that. And what you're gonna do is, I start at the bottom in the middle. You just start to follow your natural line. Top and bottom. So I started from the bottom. Now I'm here. I try to give myself a little arch. And I'm just going to continue to follow my line, my natural line. If you want to extend your eyebrow, you can. And go back and fill everything in. So you're going to go back and fill in all of this. You don't start here. Just start where you started your line at. So get some more product, not too much, like what I just did, and go fill in the rest of it, and then make my line in the front lightly and fill in the rest, and then go ahead and put the top part. Now it doesn't matter if you mess it up a little bit or if it's not as clean, because that's where the concealer comes in at. So you don't have to worry about it looking perfect. It doesn't have to look perfect. That's what the concealer is for. So you don't have to make it look perfect. That's what's gonna come next. But as of right now, go ahead and continue to fill your brow out as much as you want to, for how dark you want it to look, or whatever, how sharp, how pointy. So for me, I want like a little arch. So you see that little arch I just made? You see the difference? So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my number 9 brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna grab this brush, and I'm gonna grab my concealer. Okay, I'm gonna put some concealer on the back of my hand. Ooh, just a little bit. And I'm going to take it from the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna take some. Alright. The same way we started to do the eyebrows with the dip brow, we're gonna do it with the concealer. So I have my concealer on my brush already. And I'm just gonna erase. We're gonna start here. Start here. You want to use the angle on your brush. Alright, so you see that line? What we're going to do is we're just going to clean that up by just dragging it down. So drag it down just like this, and we're going to blend it out. Okay. You can also bring it to the front. And you could take your finger and blend it out too. But you need to clean up this line right here. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna tap the line and blend it out. Be careful, because if you tap the line and smudge it, you change the shape of your eyebrow. So be careful. I would show y'all, but I don't have time for that. So be careful. Alright? So blend everything out. Blend it all out. And then I'm going to do the top. So I'm going to grab some more of the product from the back of my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and do the top. Now, for y'all, I'm going to start on the end. I start anywhere because I know what I'm doing. But I'm going to start on the end for y'all. So take your brush. Start from the top. And then work your way this way. And you're gonna go ahead and do what you did to the bottom. So you're gonna blend this out. So we are near the ending of this video. All you see me doing now is just blending out like I showed you before. Stay tuned for the next video because that's going to be the video on the natural everyday glowy beat makeup look. Alright, so hope to see you guys soon. Hope you guys learned something from your girl. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I'm out.